Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Yazio. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you are scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. And here if you find update you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.